Next, Dr. Srikanth Eknath Shinde ji.
The number of Gramin Dak Sevaks presently employed in the country is more than 2.5 lakhs, and they render a number of mail and financial services which meet the requirements of the rural population. They are beneficial for people since they serve in running of branch post offices in rural areas and providing services like sale of stamps, booking, etc. The Kamlesh Chandra Committee was set up in 2015 by the Government of India for examining the condition of services, emoluments and other facilities available to the Gramin Dak Sevaks. However, due to non-implementation of major recommendations of the committee, there has been resentment and regular demands by Gramin Dak Sevaks regarding improvement in benefits and pay structure. I request the government to kindly accept the demands of Gramin Dak Sevaks and include provision of CGHS medical facility, housing allowance, group insurance, education allowance, increase in gratuity amount and grant of 30 days paid leave in a year, and with the provision of carrying forward of leave subject to the maximum of 180 days along with leave encashment. I also request the government to implement the recommendations of Chandra Committee in order to improve the working conditions of Gramin Dak Sevaks who discharge several important functions including implementation of government schemes in rural areas.
Thank you.